Hi guys, I'm Miguel Barclay. Welcome to £1 Meals. Today we're going to be cooking my £1 Chinese bok choy from my brand new book, Super Easy £1 Meals. Right, first thing we need to do is get a pan on the hob. And then we're going to go in with a tiny bit of sesame oil. Next we're going to need a quarter of an onion. And now we're going to go in with 100 grams of minced lamb. Now, anytime you're cooking with minced lamb or minced beef, it's so important to season early on. So a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and then we want to sort of break it up in the pan so it goes into sort of little chunks. Now, to get these Chinese flavours, firstly, we're going to need some garlic and a few chili flakes. Now, I know minced lamb is slightly more expensive than minced beef, but trust me, like, you can use minced beef if you want, but it works so much better with minced lamb. So what we're after here is for the lamb to go like a really dark colour, and that's where a lot of the flavour comes from, and then the garlic goes all sticky. Now, my top tip with cooking anything that's sort of Chinese or Asian is you've got the cornerstones of flavour, which are garlic, chili, sesame oil and soy sauce. So if you just have those in your cupboard, you can pretty much transform any ingredients into, not a real takeaway, but let's call it a fake away. Right, now we're going to go in with a little bit of soy sauce. Another little glug of sesame oil. A little splash of water, and the pak choy. Now the pak choy is going to cook in the steam, so we need to put a lid on. Five or 6 minutes is all it takes. You can see it's created like a nice little sauce. The pak choy is all nice and wilted, so let's grab a plate and let's serve it up. And here it is, my £1 Chinese bok choy.